There are many different types of composting bins, ranging from large 3-chambered bins to just single piles. Today, we're installing a small tumbler-style bin that will allow the Richmonds to efficiently convert kitchen and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil. So Ralph, explain to me how this works.
In this tumbler unit here, there's 2 chambers. So what you're going to do is put your brown and green stuff on one side, and you're going to be turning it every 2 or 3 days. You want to put kitchen scraps, yard waste, green and brown material, but none of the stuff that's going to rot or attract animals. But you're going to be tumbling this, of course, which is easy to do here. It's fun, probably for kids as well.
Even little Mr. Henry could turn this
easily,
thing, right?
As early as 3 weeks, maybe up to 8, depending how quickly it goes. You'll have compost, and you actually then open the container, turn it over, and then collect it from the bottom.
We've got our compost bin, we have our rain barrel.
The perfect pair.
Perfect pair, good job, sir. All right.
Thank you.
Visit FloridaFriendlyLandscaping.com to start learning today.